Brilliant Cut Sky by Rachel Hayes is the 6th installment of the Antigravity project at the Rockwell Museum. The great thing about Antigravity is that it's different every year, and I think it's exciting for our visitors to have a reason to come back and to see something new. We really do give our anti-gravity artists free rein. The only restriction that they have is, can we physically get it in the rotunda? It really is fun, and because it's so unexpected, it's art on the ceiling instead of art on the walls. I think it resets your expectations for what you're going to see when you come in.
I have a long history of loving color so much and wanting to surround myself with it. And then I love scale and that feeling that it gives me. I'm Rachel Hayes, and I'm a textile-based artist, and I live in Tulsa, Oklahoma. For this project, I start with the materials, the textile and the acetate. The textile is soft, and the acetate, which is the colored light gels, is hard. And putting those two materials together is the challenge of making them seem like they're supposed to be together and to highlight how they can work together.
Every year, we curate around a theme. This year's theme is called Creating Connections. We're looking at the ways that art brings out new ideas and new thoughts, but we're also looking at the ways that artists take disparate elements and put them together. Rachel's work is the perfect sort of encapsulation of creating connections. She literally is taking pieces of material that don't necessarily go together to create something completely new and something that really transports the viewer.
Knowing that Corning has a history of glass, I wanted to reference that, so it's made to catch the light and project the color. I love thinking about stained glass, but I'm a textile-based sculptor, so this is as close as I can get to creating something like that. I really love how the artwork changes in the environment. There's a balance and kind of dance of darks and lights.
As part of the Anti-Gravity project, each artist gets to do a 3-day residency at the Corning Museum of Glass. The artist gets to go experiment in a brand new medium and see how that relates to the work that they're doing in their preferred medium.
We've decided a way to work with glass that might be similar to how I work is to lay out patterns of cane glass, and then it becomes a different form. Colors become softer and meld together. Start with one and you learn from that, and then you try something new with the next one. To work with a team to help realize a vision, it becomes less about me and more about let's figure out how to make this happen all together. And I like that sense of collaboration. It's been so much fun.
It's always exciting to finally share it with our community.
I love that feeling of completion, bringing an idea that we've been working on for over a year together. Even though it is a blender of everything that I love, I really hope that people can find something of their own interest or themselves in the artwork.
Everything that we have here is an effort to tell just a bit of the American story. And so what I hope that people do as they walk in is they kind of keep that interest in how is that made? How is that done? What stories are being told? And think about our museum differently and think about art differently.